camera. Just get started, right? Let's get into the video. Water spray. Also, you need a hairbrush. It could be any hairbrush, your favorite hairbrush, your old hairbrush, anything. A tool to part your hair. You also need it could be either elastic bands, whatever ties your hair securely. So the first thing you want to do is you want to brush out your hair. By the way, guys, this is my sister. Want to say hi, Maria? She's saying that her name is Lupita. So, after you're finished brushing your hair, what you want to do is part your hair into two. Start from there and just go zigzag. The reason why I do zigzags in the back of my hair is because once you undo your braids, it just give it like more of a natural look in the back. After you have parted your hair, you want to brush it once again and then spray it with water. I got this from Target, by the way, in case if y'all want one. Don't give it too wet. Don't get it too wet. Got the shower wet. No, we don't want that. We want to get enough. Your hair is just down. You don't want to give it that puffy, nasty shit, you know? Really? So what I usually do is just grab a section of your hair. Not too thick, not too thin. Just enough. So usually I pull my hair back like this, not like forward, not just back. What I do is separate into 3 strands. Make sure you grab that hair, like whatever is hanging down, make sure to tighten that down. Tightened. My hair is short, so these little thingies flying out, that's okay. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other part of the hair. Not too wet, not too dry, just enough. We grab this piece and then so we have that section, pull back, 3 strands again. It looks shitty, but results will look fire, girl. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, it is the next day. So what you want to do is take them out, take these bands off, right? And what you want to do is separate them like that. As you part your hair like this, run your fingers down exactly like this, y'all. Brush out the little bumps down. Right, do the same thing to the other side. Brush your hair down like this. This hairstyle can go for long or short hair, any length hair, medium as well. So yeah, this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoy this video. This is also my first video. See you next time.